forgot sugar. They got there's shutters. That's different kind of shutters right there. They got metal shutters.
Really, I can't see it.
I'm surprised that house has everything back there. I'm surprised they don't have theirs.
They got metal over here.
I looked at. They still didn't move the stuff off the front porch though, and they still got all their pots and everything else in the front yard. So he's got the same as we got. That's the Eric. And see, he's not moving his door. They got metal, and then they got metal side by side.
They got metal.
The kids are playing on the front porch. Oh look, 4 in a row have metal.
Yeah.
These 4 right here in a row have got them.
So I guess everybody worked a full day and decided to come do it. They got metal.
Oh, 5 in a row then. That's 5 back to back.
They've got wood.
You know what? I wonder if those 5 were sold about the same time. Yeah, they got wood.
Look, they got metal just enough to let the light through.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And I guess run out at the last second. They got metal.
So I wonder if all these were sold at the same time. Maybe theirs came with it. You know? Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I think the hurricane's starting to show up a little bit. Yeah. Just a bit. We made Rotel dip because why not? That and Fritos. And then we went to the pig because we needed sugar. I got 2 boxes of granola bars. Jim and Nick's cheese biscuit mix. We didn't know that was a thing. Whales, because one of the kids did not like the goldfish from yesterday. Bat brownies. Fall party cakes. Refried beans. Olives. What else do we get? Is that it? Training pads in case we need them for inside. Oh, boiled peanuts. Sugar. Guess what? We went to the gas station. We still forgot ice. Oh, that's from earlier. I already had that. Well, that's it. That's all we got. It's melting fast, though. Takes forever to make it. But there's really nothing to report. It's stalled in the Gulf. It has been stalled forever and ever and ever. Oh, there ain't no cover. We did ride around the neighborhood though and look to see how many people had shutters up, and a little over 10% of the houses have shutters up. And then we went to all those surrounding neighborhoods because there wasn't nothing else to do. We saw some neighborhoods had none, some had like 2. One neighborhood wasn't very big and it had as many as our neighborhood did. Latest update, we are, let's see,
80 miles per hour sustained. It's still a substantial hurricane. It's still a Category 1 hurricane.
Somewhere right here.
Tropical storm.
And here's the track. So there's the bay. My family lives over here, and we live over here. So it's gonna go right between us, and this side is usually the worst. But at least it's only one, right?
Show me. Hey guys, so I'm just making fidget toys. I gotta put this somewhere where it won't spill. That's good. I'm doing it in my mom's room because I'm too scared to do it in the workroom. Right now I'm making a new bike chain, and Mom, would you like a random letter star?
Sure. Just put whatever you want on it, baby.
I'm gonna put an M if it works. And usually I just shove one of these metal things in it to make it. And it's really scary to do it because I'm scared I'm gonna hurt my finger, but it's really easy to do it. And then I shove it down a lot. And this is also what I use to make like twistables, twister things. Eesh, please go 3.
Right? here.
There's nothing else to do. I'm so lonely in this hurricane.
Well, at least you got power, knock on wood.
That's what I
And
said.
internet and cable. Fly. Don't come in my house, Fly.
I know it is.
I'm sorry. I did not mean to elbow you. I'm sorry.
You probably want to fly in because there's a hurricane.
It's on my. I am not gonna let fly in because it's hurricane. We have no trees on our property, but boy, those trees are tall right there.
It looks like they're gonna fall.
They kind of concern me just a little bit.
They do because they look like they're gonna fall in the cars.
But we're uphill, so
Yeah, it might fall down some.
you would think they would fall down before they fall uphill, right?
No. But I definitely know it's gonna fall one day. Yeah, you can see them. They're definitely gonna fall. What if we catch on video of them falling? Like one of them falling. You can see that first one right there is definitely about to fall. Remember? Hold the door.
Honey, she is not gonna come outside, I
Oh,
promise.
because I'm about to go real quick. I have to go get something. I'm gonna go quick. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we may get the clip of the video, but we might not because my phone just died. Like, Mom, you know what?
What?
If some of this stuff did fall, like if we got locked into the garage, we just close this door, and we could, like figure out places to sleep in here, like.
Oh, I know. I was thinking if I clean it up, then there would be room to put people.
Allow me to have a few minutes with your viewers this afternoon. The Weather Channel is a valuable source that people rely on. I just want to encourage all of your viewers, especially in Mobile and Baldwin counties, to listen to your local officials. They're the folks that you trust. They're local. They know what's going on, and they're prepared.
They've already, offshore buoys have already registered over 20 inches of rain. Offshore buoys already.
Batteries in case the power goes out. Just get prepared to take on this, what could be a historic flood level, power outage, and strong rains and heavy flooding.
Governor, what is the state specifically doing to help mitigate any issues you may have or help with, first response here? Are you pre-positioning resources, high water rescue resources, those types of things? And what about shelters?
The National Guard is on standby there, and
Do you have to go out and go potty? Fergie's like, no, I'll just smell him. Yeah, Fergie, I'm wondering what he's doing out there too in this storm. What's he doing out there?
A flash flood warning has been issued for our area.
Kids love me. I'm what they dream of. I'm a horse, but cuter. I'm a horse, but magical. Pizza on a bagel. We can all agree with that. You're like a party rental.
If I didn't see you dancing in the rain, I wouldn't have believed it.
Stop.
Still get an affordable Cigna Medicare Advantage plan. And get treated like more than just a number. Because
Best hurricane dinner ever. Chimichangas, rice and beans, white cheese on top, avocado, salad, tomatoes, sour cream. Oh my goodness. So we take a break from the hurricane to watch last month's episode of Below Deck. And the hurricane will be here when we get back. Is it still moving 2 miles an hour?
As far as I know.
Yeah, it is.
I want us to be in the space we were a few days ago, and we haven't been this whole time.
Good. Just be mindful. Obviously, I am not very persuasive because here I am
the latch was too.
She went after with her too.
What? Is he wet? Is that why he's in there?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
soaked.
So have you ever seen me in this? Yeah, I have.
I forgot you got that out of him.
Is this a toy? Go get
I'm
toy.
pretty sure I
Get it.
accidentally made this a boy on accident.
Toy.
It's okay, it's cute, buddy.
Toy.
I really
Get
like
the toy.
Richie.
Go.
They're really cute.
Close
You're
that
not
door,
listening,
please.
are you?
Yeah.
She's saying you get the toy.
All the way.
Toy.
Thank you.
Toy. Toy. Get the toy. Fergie. Toy. Grab it. Go get it. Oh. Whatever.
She ain't in the mood right now.
Don't you follow me?
Back to Big Papa. Can't really see anything. It's 9 p.m. Tuesday night. At this point, it's heading straight towards us. But you can't see anything.
Got me feeling like I'm walking on air, still I'm fading. I'm so scared of misbehaving. I'm laying low. Got me drowning, feel like running away, but I'm staying. I need your love and not a haven. No one man show. Cause when I dance, get nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. Cause when I feel like nobody, like nobody.
Alright, we're fixing to have the 10 o'clock update. I'm thinking that it's going to move. Right now it's right smack on us. But I think I've got a dinosaur after me. But I have a feeling it's going to move more towards Pensacola, which would be good for us. But I don't know.
Might have to take the pupils
We've had a
out.
very, very boring day. We have ate breakfast snack, brunch
I might
snack,
have to take the pupils out.
lunch snack, dinner snack. I mean, what else do you do?
You said Linner?
You know, lunch and dinner together, like breakfast is, or brunch is breakfast and lunch together. We've had so much good food today. There goes our diets, right?
What?
I said there goes our diets, right?
You never were on a diet.
I'm always on a diet, kid. Well, if this is my last video of the night, hopefully I can get it uploaded before we lose power, because once we lose power, we lose power. We're very lucky to still have it, actually. 43,000, I think, in the area have lost it. My oldest daughter, she stayed at home, excuse me, because her house is closer to the hospital, just in case the pressure makes her go into labor. I didn't even think about that. But they lost it for an hour, and it came back on, and I just have a feeling once we lose it, it's like going to be gone until after the storm, because they posted on Facebook that they are finished getting people turned back on right now, that they're going to wait until after the hurricane when it's safe to go out and turn people back on if they do lose it. So, I mean, we have underground powers, so hopefully that helps, but I don't know. It's flashed a couple of times. So we're kind of worried, but we're lucky. We're lucky. Excuse me, it's really tiring doing nothing. We're not used to doing absolutely nothing like we've done today. Just watch the weather, worry about the weather, go and buy more junk food at the store that we don't need. We had a good dinner though. We had friends come and get some dinner. We made extra for them. Well, I keep looking at the TV, see if the updates come in yet. They haven't come in yet.
It is still out of the tower, so it's no longer moving due north. It is actually now starting to make the northeasterly turn. The eye is now beginning to form on the satellite picture. Here's the change in the forecast track. We're going to stop this at landfall. Now projecting, according to the Hurricane Center, a landfall right around 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning. But notice the location. No longer do we have Mississippi or even Mobile
Not
County as an
Mobile.
option for a landfall now outside of the cone. You'll see impacts, but the landfall will now likely be either in Baldwin County or in northeast or northwest Florida. So this is better news for Mississippi.